Troubleshooting an HP notebook with a removable battery. Verify your computer has a removable battery by turning the computer over and looking for a battery compartment door. Remove the notebook battery. Check the contact points on the battery and inside the battery compartment for damage. If the contact points on the battery are damaged, replace the battery. If the contact points inside the battery compartment are damaged, contact HP for your service options. Disconnect all USB devices from the notebook. Disconnect the power cord. Insert the battery into the battery compartment and then lock it. Reconnect the power cord and then charge the battery for 30 minutes. Disconnect the power cord. Open the notebook and then press the power button. If the notebook turns on, the battery is functioning. If the notebook doesn't turn on and you have an additional battery, replace the battery and try to turn on the notebook again. If the notebook still doesn't turn on, contact HP customer support.